Mihang'o ya guthurima andu aria mendagia irio gicigo-ini kia mbunge kia Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Naikuru yambiriirie umuthi ari ta tabarĩra ya kaunti ya Naikuru ya gutigirira aria mendagia irio mari na ugima wa mwiri na matiri ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni homa ya coronavirus.
Ili tujue hali ya ugonjwa imesecurity aje Naivasha. Kuringana
na ndagitari munene thibitari-ini wa Naivasha, mihang'o ino ni kumahotithia gwika ithabu ria andu aria mahutitio ni homa ya COVID kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.
Targeted testing means the people who you deem to be at risk, you test a group of them. It's not representative of the whole group of them, but it will give us an idea just how what kind of measures we need to take next.
Murugamiriri wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi gicigo-ini giki augite marikia guthurima aruti a wira mikawa-ini ni magukorwo makihe muingi uria uri biacara-ini ingi mweke wa guthurimwo na kumenya uria ugima wao wa mwiri utari.
We are targeting not really the hoteliers or truck drivers, but the community of Naivasha, because it's just a targeted surveillance. But of course, you know, most of the people live in Naivasha are hoteliers. Others are truck drivers, and others are doing the other part. But we gradually will even streamline to various sectors.
Akiaria ciĩgiĩ matereba aria monekanite gukorwo na murimu ucio, augite mihang'o ya kwararamia wadi cia arwaru acio no irathie na mbere. Kaunti ya Naikuru itanyite guthurima aruti a wira 60,000 aria mendagia irio cia kuria ndeto iria iheanitwo ni murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na njira ya thimu, kuria augite kaunti ya Naikuru ni imwe ya iria iri na mikawa igatu guku bururi-ini. Ngiri Kameme TV, njitagwo Muringi wa Ngure.